morning, team.
Success, failure, and purpose. Finding meaning beyond achievement. From childhood, many of us are taught to succeed. Study well, get good marks, find a good job, earn more, buy a home, build a career. These goals are not wrong. They help us grow. They provide security. They allow us to contribute. Success has an important place in life. But somewhere along the way, many people begin believing something else. I am successful only if I achieve more than others. When this happens, success quietly becomes identity. Then every achievement feels temporary. Every failure feels personal. Every comparison creates anxiety. Chetas Yog offers another perspective. Instead of asking, "How successful am I?" it gently asks, "Who am I becoming through this journey?" A real life story. The failed business. Arjun had dreamed of starting his own business. After working for 15 years, he finally resigned from his job. He invested his savings. His family supported him. Friends congratulated him. The first year went well. The second became difficult. Unexpected expenses increased. Customers decreased. A major client cancelled a contract. Within months, Arjun had to close the business. The day he locked the office for the last time, he stood quietly outside the building. He felt empty, ashamed, embarrassed. He avoided meeting old friends. Whenever someone asked, "How is the business?" he quickly changed the subject. One evening, his daughter came home from school. She showed him a drawing. It was a picture of him helping her build a kite. At the top, she had written, "My papa never gives up." Arjun smiled through tears. He realized something. His daughter did not see him as a failed businessman. She simply saw her father. The next day, he met an old mentor. After listening patiently, the mentor asked, "Did the business fail, or did one business close?" Arjun looked confused. The mentor continued, "You learned how to manage people, negotiate, solve problems, lead a team, serve customers. Those lessons remain. Your business ended. Your learning did not." That conversation changed everything. A year later, Arjun accepted a new role in another company. The experience of running his own business made him a better leader. Looking back, he realized that what once felt like failure had quietly become one of life's greatest teachers. Looking through the Chetas Yog lens, closing the business was painful, but the deeper story was unfolding within Arjun. Life is the business ended. Life did not. Arjun remained alive. His relationships remained. His abilities remained. His capacity to learn remained. Life had not failed. Only one chapter had ended. Self-will. Arjun genuinely felt sadness, disappointment, fear, embarrassment. These feelings were natural. Self-will honestly experienced the loss. There was no need to pretend everything was fine. Self-me. Soon, self-me began creating painful stories. "Man, I am a failure. I disappointed everyone. I should never have tried." Notice the difference. The event was the business closed. The story became, "I have no value." The story created far more suffering than the event itself. Mine, the business closure awakened older mine. Perhaps childhood memories of failure. Perhaps fear of disappointing others. Perhaps a lifelong need for approval. One event activated many earlier impressions. MES. Soon mess appeared. Self-doubt, shame, withdrawal, comparison, loss of confidence. The business had closed only once. Inside Arjun's mind, it closed every day through repeated thinking. meal, the conversation with his mentor became a turning point. Instead of asking, "Why did I fail?" Arjun began asking, "What has this experience taught me?" The business became MEL. He discovered resilience, humility, leadership, patience, adaptability. The failure became part of his wisdom rather than part of his identity. Pragya. Without realizing it, Arjun practiced pragya. Pause. He stopped running from the experience. Reflect. He looked honestly at what had happened. Act. He began rebuilding his career. Go. He used what he had learned. Yield. He accepted that not every effort succeeds as planned. Accept. He accepted the end of one chapter without giving up on life. That acceptance became the beginning of a new chapter. Success and identity. Success is something we experience. It is not who we are. A promotion is success. Winning a competition is success. Completing a degree is success. Helping someone grow is also success. But none of these alone define a person's worth. When identity depends entirely on achievement, peace becomes fragile. Success comes and goes. Your humanity remains. Failure as MEL. Most people fear failure. Chetas Yoga invites us to look differently. Failure often becomes one of life's greatest teachers. It reveals assumptions, strengthens resilience, develops humility, encourages creativity, deepens compassion. Failure hurts. There is no need to deny that. But pain can become wisdom when approached with awareness. That is MEL, purpose versus popularity. Modern life often rewards visibility, followers, likes, recognition, popularity. These may bring opportunities, but they are not the same as purpose. Purpose asks, "How can my life contribute?" Popularity asks, "How many people notice me?" Purpose usually lasts longer. Recognition and ego. Everyone appreciates encouragement. A sincere compliment can inspire us. Recognition is not the problem. The challenge begins when our happiness depends entirely upon recognition. If praise lifts us too high, criticism will pull us too low. Chetas Yoga encourages quiet confidence. Appreciate recognition. Do not become dependent on it. Service and contribution. One meaningful question can change how we work and live. Instead of asking, "What can I gain?" try asking, "What can I contribute?" Contribution creates purpose. A teacher contributes through education. A farmer contributes through food. A cleaner contributes through cleanliness. A doctor contributes through care. A parent contributes through love. No honest contribution is too small. Service quietly gives meaning to success. Living meaningfully. A meaningful life is not measured only by achievements. It is also measured by the kindness we offered, the integrity we maintained, the people we encouraged, the lessons we learned, the courage we showed, the love we shared. These forms of success rarely appear on certificates, yet they often become the most valuable. The success that cannot be lost. Money may change, careers may change, health may change, recognition may fade, but wisdom gained through awareness remains. Compassion remains. Integrity remains. Manhan. These are successes that no circumstance can take away. Whole oneself well-being. Whole oneself well-being does not reject ambition. It simply places ambition within a larger picture. Work hard. Learn. Create. Achieve. Celebrate success. Learn from failure. Serve others. Grow in awareness. Allow achievement and wisdom to walk together. Pause and reflect. Take a few quiet minutes and ask yourself, do I measure my worth by my achievements or by the kind of person I am becoming? What failure in my life has taught me something valuable that success never could? When I seek recognition, what is my self me hoping to receive? In what ways does my work or daily life contribute to the well being of others? If success and popularity disappeared tomorrow, what purpose would still remain meaningful to me? Try this week. At the end of each day, instead of asking, what did I achieve today? Ask yourself, what did I learn today? Whom did I help today? What kind of person did I become today? What mind became visible today? What meal did life offer me today? Write your answers in a notebook for 1 week. You may discover that your greatest growth does not always come from your greatest achievements. Sometimes it comes from your greatest challenges. That is the Chetas Yog way, allowing success to inspire us, allowing failure to teach us, allowing purpose to guide us, and letting every experience deepen the wisdom of well-being that gradually blossoms into whole oneself. Well-being.
Me Clarity Cuppa. Clarity in every sip.